those who are naturalized in accordance by law. Second,
Because of what do you mean by adaptation, Mr. Young man? What do you mean adapt?
sa adapter yung
What do you mean to adapt?
tuwad pag-ampon, sir.
Oh, yeah. That's one of the to phone. Or in this case, meaning you will embrace the Filipino citizenship. Adapt, meaning adapt to your surroundings. So you survive in your surroundings. Learn to survive. That is adaptation. When you say adaptation, that's a different term from adoption.
Section 2, natural born citizens are those who are citizens of the Philippines from birth without having to perform any act to acquire or perfect their Philippine citizenship. Those who elect Philippine citizenship in accordance with paragraph 3, section 1 hereof shall be deemed natural born citizens. Section 3, Philippine citizenship may be lost or reacquired in the manner provided by law. And Section 4, citizens of the Philippines who marry aliens shall retain their citizenship unless by their act or mission they are deemed under the law of sovereign